This is Gwen Moe doing the Sharp Debridement Lab. So I went ahead and did my wound tracing before I started this. The date is written on the top right hand corner, July the 4th. The initials of my ham hock are HH. It's 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock drawing. I went ahead and did a legend. So the M is muscle, the NT is necrotic tissue, B is bone, and the cross hatching is connective tissue. So it goes like this. I went ahead and measured the surface area from the wound tracing, and I have my longest width being 2.5 centimeters and my longest length being 3.6 centimeters. And then when I go on the ham hock, I still have my longest width being 2.5 centimeters, but my longest width or length on the ham hock is 3.7 centimeters. So I have a total then, so 2.5 centimeters width on the ham hock times 3.7 centimeters on the ham hock equals 9.25 squared centimeters. On the wound tracing, I have 2.5 centimeters being the longest width, the longest length being 3.6 centimeters for a total of 9 centimeters squared on the wound tracing. So there is a little bit of a difference, but that's my wound tracing here. So I marked the longest width, the longest length, and the surface area on that. So now what we're going to start to do is we're going to do the shaving of the callus. I've got my 10 scalpel blade. And we're going to shave the callus. I've got it between my 3rd and 4th web space. I'm going to make my first cut in and then angle it. So I'm still seeing the red dye underneath. I'm going to get my forceps to get this off. So I can still see through the shaving, and there's still red dye underneath. I don't have down to white yet. You can see that it's a little lighter, but it's still the red dye underneath it. So I'm trying to get my first cut and then I'm angling it. So I can see the light through that. I have my forearms resting on the table. I can still see the dye underneath, so I haven't gone to viable tissue. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video while I continue to shave the callus, and I'll bring up what I get at the end.